Here's how to take a screenshot of a full page on iPhone. So in this video, I'm going to exactly show you how you can take a screenshot of a full page on your iPhone. So make sure you watch this video till the end to exactly know what to do. So here, as you can see, that we do not have the official option of taking full page screenshot, but here, as you can see, just I'm gonna take a screenshot right over here. Once I take a screenshot, here as you can see that I can take the screenshot of a one specific area but not the whole page. But there is a solution for that. So what you can do is just go to your app store, and you need this app. This app right over here is called Stitch. So just go to your app store and just search it up. And once you search up Stitch, it's just gonna load up and you can just find it in your app store right over here. So I've already downloaded. So once you've downloaded it, you'll be able to see on your recording area. So as you can see, I'm already recording right now, but once you swipe down and see your recording area, and if you hold it right over here and you scroll down over here, you will be able to see Stitch right over here. As you can see, I've already downloaded it. So I'm just gonna show you another tutorial by showing a camera point of view, because if I press on Stitch, my recording will be stopped. But yeah, I'll see you right over there. So yeah guys, I'm back again, and here as you can see that I've already downloaded the Stitch app. So what you have to do is just go to the screenshot area or the page that you want to screenshot. So just for an example, I'm just gonna go to Google Chrome and screenshot this whole page. So what you have to do is just scroll down right over here, this area, and once you do this, just hold your recording accessibility. Once you hold it, you will see that Photos has the tick mark, but you have to scroll down until you see Stitch. Just press on Stitch and press on Start Broadcasting. Once you start broadcasting, here as you can see, in 1, 2, 3, it will do this, and you just have to go down until it gives you another beep, and you just have to turn it off. Once you do this, you have to go to your Stitch app. Once you go to Stitch, it might pop up with an ad, but here as you can see, once you cancel the ad, we'll just tell you to wait for the screenshot to load up. And so here as you can see, it loaded up, and you can see I took the whole screenshot. And once you do this, just press on save, and here as you can see, image saved successfully. And here's the full image in my photos. So here as you can see, just to show you. So yeah, I hope this video helped you out. Leave a like, drop a comment, and subscribe to this channel. Until then, goodbye and peace out.